If you look at these young cucumber plants, whether you know anything about gardening or not, you can easily tell the difference between both of them. The one on the left, this is the normal one, which looks healthier, greener, and that's usually what you want your seedlings to look like. But the one on the right side, as you can see, the color is turning yellowish. That's usually lack of nutrition, and that usually occurs because of rootbound. So if you look at the healthier one, the root system is not that bad. You could barely see like a few roots here and there, but the plant looks much healthier and greener. That's like an ideal seedling to grow outside. But now if you look at this one, this is the root bound. If you look at the root system, it's pretty much like clustered up, and the plant doesn't look that healthy. It's stunned, the growth isn't that good, and the color is yellowish, and you always want to avoid that kind of plants. So what you can do is you could transplant them to like a bigger container, and you could bring them back to life and they'll be much healthier. Alright, so in order to do that, the first thing you would want to do is use like a bigger cup or like pots or whatever you have. I'm using these glasses I got from Dollar Tree, which is very inexpensive. I normally get the foam one, it's a lot easier to make the holes on, but they ran out of it, so I'm just gonna use the plastic one. You always want to make sure there's a drain system, so make sure you have the holes on the glasses. So I'm just gonna use some simple potting mix I found at Aldi for like $2.50. It's a huge bag, and these are organic, so I usually prefer organic soil. Alright, so the first thing you would want to do right now is pretty much open up the root system. You don't have to be too aggressive. Try not reaping them, rather just releasing them. That's all you need, and once it's ready, you could just put it on the container and just add some soil on top of it. And again, just be very gentle, try not touching the stem. It's okay if you touch the leaves or the root system. And after you planted it, the best thing to do is water them. Normally I go a little aggressive and I'll water it as much as I can, probably overflow it. I mean, I do have the drain system, so the water will drain out. It's easier for the root system to settle down to the new soil. And that's it, and it's all ready. So I'm just gonna leave it in my little greenhouse that I have for maybe 2 to 3 weeks,